home. It's almost dinner time. Where are you? Where are you two? Your mom sent me to find you. Are you back here somewhere? We coming. Here we come. Here we be. What have you been doing? Taking a bath. Can't you tell? Well, I can see the bubbles. Where were you taking a bath? In the long silver bathtub. The trough? Is long silver bathtub trough? Yes, and you shouldn't have been taking a bath in there. You have tubs at home. We'll have to clean all the bubbles out of the trough before we can go home. Whatever made you decide to do that? We getting holy. Holy? Yeah, in Sunday school, we learned that we should be holy like God is holy, but we didn't know what holy meant. So we asked the teacher. She said it meant to be pure, but other kids asked other questions, so we didn't find out anymore. Okay. And Posy, remember about the soap. What soap? The one that say that it's so pure that it floats. So we took some from home and brought it here. Pure must mean clean, so now we are pure and holy. Well, pure does mean clean, but it also means set apart for God, which has to do with the inside of us, not just the outside. Huh? How we be clean on inside? By obeying God's word and living as He wants us to. Is that like the gold commandment? That's the golden rule in the 10 Commandments. Yes, those are important rules to obey. But Jesus said that the 2 most important rules are the ones to love God with all your mind, soul, body, and strength, and to love others as we love ourselves. When we try to please God by following His rules, we're living a holy life. Oh, that's what we want to do. Right, Penny? Right, Posy. All right, well, let's get things cleaned up, and then I'll take you two home. Is cleaning up a mess holy? Well, what do you think, Posy? Why do you think it would please God to clean up the messes we make? Oh, I know. So someone else not have to do it. That's right, Penny. That is showing love. I love bubbles too, but not as much as I love you and Penny. Well, I know you two love ice cream, so that's what's for dinner tonight. Ice cream! Let's go clean up the holy bubbles, Penny!